welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, we are very sorry for not uploading a video on New Year, that is on 1st. That was because we wanted to do something like for ourselves.
We wanted a change.
We wanted to change this year, but
I mean, you all know because of the title and thumbnail, maybe.
Yeah. But the things that we needed for this change were delivered late. So that's why we wanted this.
We wanted this video to be the first video of 2022.
So we had a vlog already which we could have edited and we could have uploaded on first, but we didn't do that because we wanted this to be the first video. We wanted to start with this change. Okay, so guys, this is really hard for us.
And this is a very big change. We are shit scared. Like generally we get excited, but I'm very scared this time.
Okay. So I'll tell you, I have, so we are basically going to color our hair, and I wanted to do purple, but then
but purple is my first choice too, like Sharanya, you know.
So I wanted to do purple because bora hai, but then I thought I'll do purple sometime later.
Now we wanted to go bold, like we wanted a big change.
Yeah. So I chose this color. That is, what is this color? Blue sapphire.
I like that one. I'm regretting. I chose red. It's not even like normal red. It's vibrant red. I don't know why. Like what courage we have.
But this is not the first time that I'm coloring my hair. I have done highlights. Like I have done 2 times. Once this color. This color I have done highlights, but that was just a small portion of my hair. And once I have done an orangish color, which was quite different. It was good.
Mine never catches on my hair.
She has that, proper mallu hair. The hair everyone wants, a thick hair she has. She doesn't value it, okay? So it's very difficult for her hair to catch the color. So we are just giving a complete
makeover only on her hair.
I'm telling, we are completely giving an elocution competition ka speech over here. No. So guys, let's do it. Let's just do it. And this is going to be a bomb in our house because
I mean, we're not that scared. Not like you're gonna go naked or something,
but still, the reaction is not going to be that great.
So like this video, subscribe to the channel and share so that we survive.
Yeah.
We have to, because
our intro is going to be the largest and people are not
longest,
and the people are not going to watch this video basically.
Watch guys, this is very interesting, Okay,
let's go and bleach our hair first. Guys, let's apply some Vaseline so that the color does not stick to your skin.
ये काट पड़ेगा क्या?
नहीं ले ले.
डालूंगी अगर. बाबू तो करने लगी तो.
See, she's trying to save herself.
Guys, we had 4 to 5 Vaseline. अभी कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. We can't find anything. With so much difficulty,
we have other creams. We have other creams, but the videos we have seen,
they have used Vaseline, so we can't risk it. The thing is, if it spoils, we have no money to like a personal money to buy a new one and fix it. So that's the problem.
Have applied everywhere. मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है. Give me more.
Ear fetish. किसी को है क्या? Ear पे Vaseline लगाने का video, one touch. हमारे ear fetish तो किसी को नहीं होगा. हम भी fetish नहीं है किसी को.
Ear fetish तो दूर की बात है. I'm basically not doing. This is not a sponsored video still. I just want to do it. I just want to do it. Yeah. Just practice. We are going to become famous. And this is an attire which is basically for
hair coloring.
Yeah. So step 1, you have this blonder plus developer. That is basically, I think so, this is the bleach. And you have to mix both and you have to first apply and उसके बाद shampoo करके आना है. तो shampoo भी इसमें ही दिया है Streaks का. Then this is the step 2. That is basically applying the color. And then they have also provided us with gloves and a brush to apply. So let's start.
Sorry for the background of.
What is this?
कान बजाने के लिए.
वो क्या?
It's wild. I don't know.
I think so. It's like you can hold the hair and then apply.
The paisa we don't waste even one drop. Guys, she thinks after buying hair products she became rich. That's why she's wasting everything. Hey, shouldn't you put gloves?
Oh
Aren't
yeah.
we too confident? And why are we keeping everything on the bed? We didn't keep everything. Nothing we kept. The family. We forgot our family watches the video. No, we didn't put it. We promise.
We promise.
Man.
Oh, be careful.
Oh yeah. Be careful. Oh, the ganda smell is gone. It's suffocating, guys. Am I even doing it right? No, if it's not bleached properly, then she'll tell me that it's patchy. मेरी गलती नहीं होगी, ठीक है? I think I'm applying a lot.
मेरे बाल ना मतलब ब्लीच होके कुछ
टूट के गिर गए. ऐसे पता चला खींचा और बाल गिर गया. But we don't have aluminium foil.
I don't have that much hair, Achu, for you to play with.
It's very nice to play with your hair. Yeah, I think you're done. Hopefully. We have a wedding to attend, guys, in like a week, 2 weeks, something like that. Thank God it's not a family wedding. Otherwise, you can imagine.
The amount of
We don't care. We'll go and dance in mic drop it.
yeah.
Mic.
Did you see my bag? Did you see my bag? Did you see my bag?
It's a letter of desire. It's a letter.
Dun dun dun.
What you think about that?
I better call my parents and
Put
say.
everything. कुछ जो है आपको जाके बुझाओ किसे ये हटा मेरे को हाथ कर ये निकाल अरे एसिड नहीं है ऐसा निकालना मेरी जैसी बुरी बहन को ऐसा हम मिडिल क्लास में से आपको जाते हैं आपके पास आपको जाने के लिए मशीन सब होगा आप मतलब जो अमीर लोग होते हैं
After that, we are actually causing.
People think they say that they have strict households because I used to feel like that when I used to watch other YouTubers. If they, for example, they're saying they have strict household, and if I see them coloring their hair or like doing like even just vlogging, I would be like, oh my god, how are their parents strict? They are just vlogging. Like my parents would let me do that.
But then.
Sometimes you tend to do things for YouTube, and then you just accept the fact that
this we are not doing for YouTube. This
no,
we are
not this.
doing
I'm saying in general.
This we are doing for ourselves because literally we are so tired of
We are depressed kids, guys.
we are depressed. That's
It's like you can feel it, okay? Like
मेरे दूसरे बाल पे मत लगा तू bleach.
नहीं लगा रही अम्मा. So it's like, guys, sometimes like before now we used to not understand, okay, if you're going into depression. Now it's like we know that we are on the verge of like stepping into that what do you say, that box. So we can't even snap out of it. She man, why is that here like that? I mean, I don't want to be ungrateful because then what if I go bald? Like God is like, dude, bitch, I gave you so much head. What's wrong with you? And then he's like, puss, and I go bald.
Actually,
ये फट गया. Guys, my sister doesn't even know to open a glass. Guys, only we are just like it's a makeover video, but only our hair is getting changed. Our behavior, our way of speaking, our dressing sense. I mean, we are aesthetic people from inside. I'm just telling you, we know fashion.
Yeah.
Just that there's no money to buy it, apply it on ourselves. You know what I mean? Guys, understand.
their viscosity is seen in their Pinterest feed.
Yeah. Ooh. I hate when she touches me. So annoying. You're scared. Oh, I think I'll have to keep for like 45 minutes. Go.
I feel like this is not enough for your
Hey,
hair.
don't say that, bro. There will be like half of my hair is bleached and half is not bleached.
ऐसा.
सब दोनों कैसे नहीं कर सकते? तू हंस रही है? बस.
Guys, just posing for thumbnail.
Very beautiful look while posing for thumbnail. God, please make me look hot, please. I mean, I'm already hot, but like super hot with this hair, guys. Not I'm calling guys. Sorry, I now I'm calling you all. I'm just like guys, please. I meant God, please. God, please. God, please.
है ना ये.
हाँ ये करना है, सब करना है, डर लग रहा है. खतरों के खिलाड़ी. Whoa, 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 whoa. Polar body is just shining. Tete, we are matching. J-Hope. Oh
my
J-Hope
God,
and Tay.
J-Hope.
We got nostalgia, not nostalgia. We remembered Tay and Hobie's that photo. We can't describe because family people are watching.
Nowadays they are.
In full attack mode. Hey, water, bro.
What's your water broke? What?
Yeah. Water. Why did you call me baby?
Because you are my baby.
Baby? Comment down below if you're army and if you know who does this. Baby? क्या कर रही हो? वो नहीं होता वो पुराने movies में वो इंसेंस स्टिक का जो होता है वो लोग सब करते थे दीपिका को बजरंग मस्तानी में.
I'm even doing this because I know that your hair will not catch it. I have tried my level best to, do as much.
I think before coloring we'll suffocate and die with the bleach powder smell. Oh, why do you feel like this is not that bleach?
You don't say that, man. This is not that bleach. Guys. What should I do?
Sit and cry.
एक साइड नहीं हुआ है, guys.
1 minute. Guys, we are so smart that we are reading the instructions now and we have realized we have done a lot of mistakes which we can't say it loud. Because if we say it loud then, people are listening at your house. We'll get scolding, we might get even thrown out of the house for this thing. We are just realizing a lot of things right now. All the best to both of us.
One side of my hair is not
It's not, see guys, you saw.
One side, because of the lighting you are not able to see. This side is brown and this side it is black. Nothing is. I am scared. I'm literally scared because the way it has come out, right?
She feels like one's gonna be like very dark and then the other's not gonna show. But
God, I'm so scared, guys.
my position. It's like I'm removing water from it.
Turn.
Olive oil. थोड़ा इधर करना. ये इस पे कर ये मेरा हाथ. I have no clue why I chose red. I'm still thinking. My ear looks like it's bleeding. Guys, I put Vaseline, so hopefully it doesn't do much to my ears. So guys, we got ready because we wanted to show you the color.
My color is actually looking good, but it is not visible. And it did not come out well like I planned to.
See, you can see the color.
It's good, but then it's not. I don't know why. See, can you see?
I think the color wasn't enough for her hair. I don't know.
Can you see this green color? It's blue sapphire. I don't know.
It's green. It's yellow. It's some part. It's brown. I don't know how her hair turned brown. So many parts of her hair is brown.
Yeah.
Guys, can you see? It's actually it's pretty. It's a very green. I don't know.
It's a beautiful color, but it's not.
It's looking black in the video. I don't know how to show it.
See, wherever she has, done, it has come out really well. Can you see the color? Wow, it's really beautiful.
It's like if I want to hide, I can hide the color, and if I want to show, I can show the color.
Yeah, it's looking good, right? So guys, we are back and
Back to our home.
Like literally, I have been trying from the past 1.5 hours to take a photo which will show my color because it's really not visible in this
And
camera.
we don't know how and why, because we can see it with our eyes, like naked eyes we can see.
Yeah, it has a beautiful texture and it's a good color, but I just want it to be little more bright and
Like if you see her in person, you can see the color.
yeah.
But
I don't know. It's a beautiful color, but I don't know maybe why it has not come out so well. Like I've seen in the other videos of people who have done the same color, but that's okay.
maybe it might show in with time. You know,
yeah.
come here and say we are beautiful because we are beautiful.
Yeah, That
Are you
filters,
beautiful?
yeah, I am beautiful. Those filters made me feel that
So insecure. Oh my god.
I started fighting with her because I felt yeah, I can't even get one photo because I look so ugly. But then no, it's not true. We are beautiful. It's just that the
We
background.
are hot.
We are hot, and no one deserves us.
Yeah, except for 7 boys from South Korea.
Yeah.
We don't deserve them.
We don't
That's the case, but we'll just.
Can you see the color? It's a beautiful color which is not showing. Why are you not showing?
Actually, I'll tell you, my idea was to do it underneath, and then here, like how they do it. But I'm glad it's not done like that. See, it's not that visible if I walk like this. But if I want to show it, I can show it. It's like an option for me.
It has come out well, actually, literally. But I will color my hair, guys. Once I have this courage to,
Cut my hair.
cut my hair, and I will. You see.
See, it's there. Oh, guys, can you see? I don't know why you're putting so much efforts to.
It's a beautiful color. That's the reason I want to show you. Yeah. So that's it. We really don't know what.
We wanted this to be a makeover video.
But this is.
Even I don't feel like something has happened to my hair. I don't know why.
No, we wanted this to be the makeover video, but
Then people are like, oh my god.
Mm.
This is not Archana. This is some diva.
But then I'm telling you that will not happen with us because if we start behaving like that, then maybe it's not us.
Yeah, I can't behave like, oh my god, oops. Yeah, I can't.
Now,
you can't.
now you'll be like, yeah, can you see my hair?
I'll talk like this. Yeah, so how are you all doing?
How are you doing?
Are you as well?
Can you see my? Yeah. So yesterday, what did you have for lunch? Yeah,
I had tea, not for lunch. I had tea and croissant with some butter.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and that's it for
Like the video, guys.
Like the video because this was a very big decision made by
We
us.
haven't after this video we might be kicked out of the house.
Yeah. So yeah, my color is somehow showing somewhere. I don't know.
Yeah, guys. Bye. Take care. Don't be like us and do stupid things. Bye.
Don't be afraid of